Turn it on its side and plant your ass in there. That's it.
Harry!
Harry!
Harry! Harry, he's fine. Come here.
I think you're supposed to go the other way.
Harry, he's okay. Come here.
Go the other way, mate.
Do I have a change of clothes here?
You've got to change a t-shirt. Harry!
Harry, get out. Just a relaxing paddle. Harry, go away.
Come on, he's okay. Come here.
I think you got to keep going around. You got to get your weight up the other end.
I can only see that ending one way.
You're halfway there. That's it.
Uh-oh.
Harry, come here.
Harry, don't bite it.
Losing buoyancy.
Harry, come
There's
here.
a hole in it.
Harry's bitten it. Harry, come here. You ruined it.
Well, that's the end of that.
Got a hole in it?
Yeah,
There's two.
Harry bit it.
Thanks, Harry.
That was fun.